In this lesson, we're going to talk about converting temperature between degrees Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius. And Fahrenheit is most commonly used in the U.S., so that's what a lot of times what we'll be using when we're talking about temperature. And Celsius is part of the metric system, so they use this in other countries, but both measure temperature. And so just to kind of give you an idea of the differences between the Fahrenheit scale and the Celsius scale, freezing is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And in Celsius, this converts to 0 degrees. And so that's what we call absolute zero. And boiling is equal to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. And when we convert this to Celsius, we get 100 degrees. And so you can just this will kind of give you a little bit of an idea as to a really high temperature in Fahrenheit is going to seem significantly less in degrees Celsius. And so if we have degrees Fahrenheit and we're going to convert to degrees Celsius, the equation that we're going to use is we take our degrees Fahrenheit value and we subtract 32, and then we multiply this by 5 over 9, and this will give us degrees Celsius. And now if we're going to go from degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit, we take our Celsius value and we multiply this by 9 over 5, and then we add 32, and this will give us degrees Fahrenheit. And so if we look at this question, it says, what is the Celsius equivalent of 100 degrees Fahrenheit? So we're given Fahrenheit and we want Celsius, so our equation is going to be degrees Fahrenheit minus 32 multiplied by 5 over 9 to give us degrees Celsius. So we input our 100 degrees Fahrenheit into our equation. If we go ahead and calculate this out, we get a value of 37.78 degrees Celsius. So if we think about this in terms of temperature, if someone told you that, oh, it was 37 degrees Celsius today, we would think, wow, 37 degrees, that's really cold, but we have to remember the big difference between the two scales, because that actually is about 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which is extremely warm. So this is how we convert between degrees Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius.